Did you know that 99% of what you know about pandas is probably wrong? Welcome to Panda Deception 5 Myths Busted. We're here to challenge your preconceptions. Heard that pandas eat only bamboo or they can't run fast? We're diving deep to debunk these and other common misconceptions about pandas. This captivating journey will take us to the very core of the pandas universe, shedding light on unexpected facts about these lovable beings. So, if you thought you understood, it's time to reconsider. The truth about these black and white wonders is often hidden beneath the surface. Prepare to have your knowledge overturned as we dismantle the 5 biggest myths about pandas. Myth number 1, pandas eat only bamboo. This isn't entirely true. Let's delve into the dietary habits of these fascinating creatures. Yes, it's true that pandas have a voracious appetite for bamboo. In fact, they can spend up to 14 hours a day chomping down on these resilient green stalks, consuming anywhere from 25 to 45 pounds of it. That's the equivalent of a small child every single day. But wait, there's more to their menu than just bamboo. Contrary to popular belief, pandas are not exclusively herbivorous. Though bamboo does make up the lion's share of their diet, they've been known to supplement this with fruits, particularly apples and pears. So if you ever see a panda munching on an apple, don't be too surprised. Interestingly, pandas in the wild have been observed foraging for other food sources when bamboo is scarce. They've been known to eat eggs, fish, and even small rodents. It's not their typical fare, but survival sometimes calls for a more diverse diet. So, why do pandas eat so much bamboo, you might wonder? Well, despite its abundance, bamboo is not a very nutritious plant. It's low in protein and high in cellulose, which is difficult for pandas to digest. To get the nutrients they need, pandas have to consume a large volume of bamboo. It's a bit like eating a mountain of salad just to feel full. But here's the kicker. Pandas, like other bears, have the digestive system of a carnivore. Their gut isn't really designed to break down plant material efficiently, which is why they have to eat so much bamboo. It's a strange twist of nature, but it's part of what makes pandas so unique. So let's bust this myth wide open. Yes, pandas love their bamboo, but they're not strictly bamboo eaters. When given the chance, they'll happily tuck into fruits, eggs, and even the odd rodent or two. So, pandas aren't just about bamboo, they enjoy a varied diet when available. Myth number 2, pandas are slow and lazy. Think again. Let's dive into the world of pandas, a world that's far from lazy. While they are often seen lounging around munching bamboo, this doesn't mean they're slow or lazy. It's just that pandas have an interesting way of conserving their energy. In fact, when it comes to physical activity, pandas can give even the most athletic creatures a run for their money. Did you know that pandas are excellent tree climbers? Yes, that's right. Despite their bulky size, pandas can climb trees with agility and grace. They start learning this skill at a very young age as part of their survival tactics. Even adult pandas, weighing up to 300 pounds, can effortlessly climb trees to evade predators or simply to take a nap. And that's not all. Pandas are also good swimmers. They are known to swim across rivers and streams, showcasing their strength and stamina. So, the next time you think a panda is just a cuddly bear, remember they can outswim you. Moreover, pandas are known for their playful nature. They love to frolic and tumble, especially in the snow. These black and white furballs are seen rolling down slopes, wrestling with each other, and even doing somersaults. These antics are not just for fun, but also a way for pandas to hone their physical strength and coordination. But why are they often seen just sitting and eating? Well, pandas have a relatively low metabolic rate due to their diet of bamboo, which is low in nutrients. This means they need to conserve energy and spend a lot of time eating to get the nutrients they need. So, their laid-back demeanor is more about survival than anything else. So, lazy? Not really. Our fluffy friends are quite agile and full of surprises. With their tree-climbing prowess, swimming skills, and playful nature, pandas are anything but slow and lazy. So the next time you see a panda lazily chewing on bamboo, remember, there's more to these adorable creatures than meets the eye. Myth number 3, pandas have poor eyesight. Not so. Now let's dive into this misconception. It's often said that pandas have poor eyesight. This statement isn't entirely false, but it's not entirely true either. You see, pandas, like many other animals, have adapted to their environment in unique ways. and this includes their vision. Contrary to popular belief, pandas have quite good eyesight, especially in low-light conditions. It's not about seeing things with crystal-clear precision like we humans do in broad daylight. Instead, it's about making out shapes and movements in the dim light of dusk and dawn when pandas are most active. This ability to see in the dark is thanks to a layer in the panda's eyes called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light back through the retina, increasing the light available to the photoreceptors. But eyesight isn't the only way pandas perceive their world. They also have an incredibly keen sense of smell. This olfactory prowess helps them locate bamboo, their primary food source, and allows them to sense the presence of other pandas. It's especially crucial during breeding season when males use their noses to find females ready to mate. In conclusion, while pandas may not have 20/20 vision in the same way humans do, their eyes are perfectly adapted to their lifestyle. With their excellent night vision and heightened sense of smell, pandas are well equipped for their environment. Myth number 4, pandas are solitary animals. This isn't the whole truth. Let's delve into the social lives of pandas for a bit, shall we? While it's true that pandas spend a substantial amount of time alone, they're not as solitary as you might think. You see, pandas have a complex social structure with a variety of communication methods. They communicate through vocalization, scent marking, and even body language. Let's start with vocalization. Pandas have been known to have about 11 different calls. These include barks, roars, squeaks, and even bleats. Yes, you heard that right. Pandas bleat like goats. These vocalizations are used for everything from signaling distress to expressing joy. Next up, we have scent marking. Pandas leave their scent on trees, rocks, and even snow to mark their territory. This is a crucial part of their communication, especially during the mating season. Male pandas will compete for the attention of a female by leaving their scent in as many places as possible. It's their way of saying, "Hey, I'm here and I'm ready for love." Now let's talk about body language. Pandas use a variety of postures and movements to express their feelings. For example, a panda may stand on its hind legs to appear larger and more intimidating when it feels threatened. Then there's the mother-cub relationship. Mother pandas are incredibly nurturing and protective of their cubs. They spend a significant amount of time teaching their cubs how to climb, forage for food, and even how to mark their territory. So while pandas do value their alone time, they also have a rich and complex social life. They communicate, they compete, they nurture, and they learn from one another. While they may enjoy some alone time, pandas aren't the loners we thought they were. And finally, myth number 5, pandas do not have natural predators. Incorrect. Let's debunk this myth, shall we? It's a common misconception that these adorable black and white bears live a carefree life with no threats. But in reality, pandas, especially the young and weak ones, do have natural predators. In the wild, pandas' primary predators are leopards. Yes, you heard it right. Leopards. These big cats are stealthy and powerful, capable of taking down even the strongest of prey. And while adult pandas with their size and strength can often deter these predators, young and weak pandas can fall victim. Snow leopards and occasionally yellow-throated martens are also known to prey on pandas. These predators are particularly dangerous to young pandas who have not yet developed their full strength or the know-how to fend off attacks. But the biggest threat to pandas is not from other animals. It's us, humans. Human activities pose a significant threat to pandas. Deforestation, habitat fragmentation, and poaching have all played a part in pushing these magnificent creatures towards the edge of extinction. Pandas' habitats are shrinking due to deforestation and urbanization, forcing them into smaller and more isolated patches of land. This not only makes it harder for pandas to find food, but also increases their vulnerability to predators. Poaching, while not as rampant as it once was thanks to protective laws, still poses a threat to pandas. Their distinctive black and white fur is highly sought after in the illegal wildlife trade. And let's not forget about climate change. Rising temperatures are causing bamboo, the primary food source for pandas, to die off. This, coupled with the loss of their habitat, is putting pandas in a precarious position. So, as we can see, the life of a panda is not as carefree and safe as we might have imagined. They face threats from both natural predators and human activities. So, the safe and predator-free world of pandas is sadly a myth. And there you have it. 5 myths about pandas, debunked. We've taken a journey from the misconceptions of the panda diet to the mistaken notion of their laziness, the myth of their poor eyesight, the false idea of them being solitary, and finally, the untruth of them having no natural predators. In doing so, we've learned that pandas are more than just cute, cuddly creatures. They are fascinating animals with a complexity that often gets overlooked. They are a testament to the fact that there's always more to learn about the animal kingdom, and that sometimes the popular belief might not always be the truth. So let's keep our minds open, our curiosity piqued, and continue to delve into the world of animals. Let's question the common narrative, research, and learn more. Because the more we know, the better we can appreciate and protect these wonderful creatures. Enjoyed debunking panda myths with us? Make sure to subscribe for more exciting animal truths and myths. Stay curious, stay informed,